Welcome you all. I am Professor Yogesh Kokate. In the lecture series of IC Engine, in this video we will going to discuss four-stroke petrol engine and how the four-stroke petrol engine works. So let's we start with the petrol engine. The valve operates the inlet is called an inlet valve, and the valve operates the exhaust called as an exhaust valve. So any engine having two valves called as an inlet and exhaust valve. In case of petrol engine, you can see that there is an always spark plug which initiate the combustion. So for the initiation of combustion, we required a spark plug. You can imagine like that when in the kitchen we start the burner or we on the burner, at that time we give the uh, spark to that gas so as to it can burn. Same kind of stuff we do over here. With the help of spark plug, we give the spark to that mixture so as to it can burn. The piston perform 4 stroke to complete one working cycle. The 4 different strokes are there. So to perform a cycle, there are 2 crank revolutions, and for that 2 crank revolution, in that 4 strokes are happen. In that first one is an suction stroke, then compression stroke, power stroke and exhaust stroke. So once this 4 stroke is over, we can say that one working cycle of 4 stroke petrol engine is there. So you can see that here is a spark plug, here is your suction valve, here is your exhaust valve, this is your piston, this is your cylinder, this is the bottom dead center, top dead center, and here is an bottom dead center. So let's we begin with the first stroke, that is intake suction stroke. So you can see that once the intake valve, also called as an suction valve, open, the air plus fuel mixture, that is we called as an charge. So charge means air and petrol mixture is getting inducted in the cavity of your piston cylinder. At that time your piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center. Due to that, here vacuum is generated and intake valve is getting open and charge will be get inducted into that cavity. So it is start from top dead center and end on bottom dead center. So intake valve is open, exhaust valve at that time is closed, piston go to the top dead to bottom dead center, a vacuum is created in the cylinder, and due to that charge we call as an air fuel mixture is entered into the cylinder. So in that piston moves down and your crank rotation will takes place in a half, that means in 180 degrees. So it will be 180 getting rotated, we called a half rotation will be take place. So half turn of crankshaft will be take place in intake or suction stroke. In compression stroke, now next in a next half rotation, in that your piston moves from bottom dead center to top dead center. At that time both the valve, that is intake and exhaust valve, is closed, and due to that charge is getting compressed in between that cavity. So intake valve close, exhaust valve close, piston go to the bottom dead center to top dead center, and air fuel mixture is getting compressed as I explained, and due to that very high temperature is getting maintained over here. So fuel start to vaporize and heat being to build inside that cavity. So in the next stroke, that is power or expansion stroke, in that once very high temperature is generated, the spark plug is given a small spark to the charge, and due to that it is getting combust, and as combustion take place, very high enormous amount of energy is released that will be pushes this piston to the downward direction, and that is nothing but the mechanical energy generated. That's why this stroke is known as an power stroke or expansion stroke. Within this stroke, both the valves are closed and piston moves from top dead center to bottom dead center. So air fuel mixture is burned into the combustion chamber and piston go to the top dead center to bottom dead center. That's why mechanical energy is generated. So the name of the stroke is an power or expansion stroke. Now whatever energy is released, so whatever maybe the residues are there that we want to throw to the outside with the help of silencer, so for that purpose exhaust wall is getting open. So next, in the next half rotation, next stroke is happen, that is nothing but the exhaust stroke. In that we can release these gases to the atmosphere. So exhaust wall is getting open, piston move from bottom dead center to top dead center. Due to that, positive pressure is generated, and this positive pressure is greater than atmospheric pressure, and so these gases is getting released to the atmosphere. So intake valve close, exhaust valve open, and piston go to the bottom dead center to top dead center, and exhaust gas out through the exhaust valve. Like this, all these 4 strokes happen in 2 crankshaft rotation. That means each strokes will happen in half rotation. There are 4 strokes, so 2 rotation of crankshaft take place in 4 stroke petrol engine. This is the working principle of petrol 4 stroke engine. Thank you.